Canva quiz. In this video, you are going to learn how to make a Canva quiz. So let's get started. First, go to your Canva app or your Canva account through your website. Then in the search bar, type the thing you want to search. For example, I want to search quiz. I will type quiz here. Then click on template option. You will see a lot of templates from TikTok and Instagram. Search these templates and select the one you want to make. For example, I want to use this template, so I will click on the option that says customize. I will customize my Canva quiz and then I will enter the questions here. Then we will have an option that we can make the quiz again by editing it. From here, go to the dashboard in the left corner and tap on the option that says design. In the design, you will see the option of template and style. From here, you can select any template or you can change the template design. Then you can also search here for more templates or styles, as you can see in this video. Then this option will appear and I will tap on the option that says add as new page. After that, you will be able to make another quiz with different template. That's how you can change and make new quizzes. And after you have designed your quiz, click on the upper right corner option that says share. From here, you will see this screen. Scroll down and you will see an option that says download. Click on it and your quiz will be saved in your laptop, PC or mobile phone. That's easily you can correctly make a Canva quiz.